Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I did manage to get the tool well put up onto the wall, but it's not all complete. As you can see, it's not moving. So it's not a movie, it's just me explaining what I did to the stuff on the wall there and how I managed to hook it up. So what I did is I took the racks from the old workshop that I had clamps on, and I removed them off the wall and put them into the Annex. I've got 3 pegs up across the top there that I'm putting the 6-inch C-clamps on. Then I've got a series of 8 pegs along the bottom, which I just stuck all the clamps that I had available right there in the Annex. I still got more in the basement. I've got more boxes of them and more hangers to put up. But that's what I got right now, and I think I'm going to move forward with it. I've started some French cleats for the other walls because I want to hang some parts over there, and I think it's going to work out well. Thanks for watching. That's a fair amount of weight.